So, to make a flower fairy skirt, you will need fake flowers, as you can see here. You'll need one of these poofy skirts, a glue stick, and a glue gun. Just make sure beforehand that your glue gun doesn't burn through the plastic. First, we cut off the size because we're making them for adults and not children. So, we made them a little bit shorter. You can just do this by just slicing off the bottom. It was so funny, I'm not going to lie. Yeah. Then we started hot gluing. So we tested on the piece that we had used to cut off to make sure it didn't burn through anything. And my hot gluing kind of failed because I am terrible at arts and crafts. But my friends here, the ones that I'm using to show the tutorial, are a lot better. So that we found the best was if you take the flowers apart, as you can see that she's done here, and then you layer them on top of each other rather than trying to stick down the little plastic bits at the bottom. Yeah, so we chose to do skirts. My one friend did do a top. I do have that here if you want to see it, but it's just basically like a wrap. Here's the skirt, the red skirt with all the flowers. If you wanted to go with more of a unified look, you can just go with red on red, but here you can see her layering the different flowers on top of each other. That way you can't see the holes. Here's the skirt on someone. Here she's back at layering, making sure that all the yellow things cover everything. Her skirt was probably the sturdiest. It didn't fall off at any point. Here's her making the top. Another key point to take note of is you need to remove any hot glue webs, because there's lots of them when you're doing stuff like this. And yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. The end result is right here. I think they came out pretty cool. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps you. Bye.